Turn up to this one, Worcester Bosch 30 SI, pouring water everywhere. There's a few things it could be, left hand or right hand, but I isolated the cold main going into the boiler underneath and the leak stopped. So I'm thinking it's going to be the left hand manifold, which is the flow unit. Let's whip the case off to have a look, put the board down. There it is, squirting over there. Might as well get a closer look. Whip out the rigging work mat, pop that down like that. It's waterproof, it's ideal for this. Disconnect the condense hose. Thread my rigging hose through that hole, connect it to the drain off and open up. Boiler's at the highest level, so I don't need to isolate flow and return. Mini Nipex grips is ideal for the condense connection. Just move that out of the way, bit more excess. Disconnect the domestic hot water sensor. Squirt WD-40 literally everywhere where there's a joint that you're trying to get apart. Nothing sticks better than a Worcester Bosch O-ring. Just to get all the water out, I pump the expansion vessel up because there's no pressure in it anyway. So again, I use the rigging hose, give it a good pump. 0.75 bar is what I pump it to. Disconnect the expansion vessel hose to get a bit more room. System water doesn't look the best, to be fair. Disconnect the split pin for the bypass. Pop that somewhere safe so you don't lose it. Pull the pin out for the domestic hot water. Undo this clip, you pinch it together and then turn it clockwise like a bayonet. Undo the securing screw at the back, it's PZ2. Disconnect the screw holding the plate, PZ2 again, long handled. My 24mm Weir set spanner, ideal for the hot water. So I undo it, twist it out of the way and pull down. Watch you don't catch your knuckles when you pull down. Weir 30mm set spanner to undo the flow. Same principle again, pull the pin out, turn the flow pipe round and pull down to wiggle it out. Now with all that disconnected, you just wiggle it out. I managed to do this with one hand, made a bit of a meal of it, but just shows it does come out without having to disconnect the gas pipe. You can see there where it had split. Use my little pointy flathead to get rid of the fibre washers. The new one's all prepped up, lubed up, ready to go back in. Basically just do everything in reverse, what I've already done. When you're happy it's all connected, turn the cold water back on underneath, check for any leaks. Plenty of lube on the filling loop key, we never stick it in dry. It's up to pressure. Click on the hot tap, boiler fires, happy days.